Did you know that even a small deviation in pharmaceutical manufacturing can lead to regulatory nightmares, costly recalls, or worse, compromised patient safety? Hi, I'm Rajesh from Pharma Health Insights, and today we are diving deep into the world of deviation management, the backbone of quality assurance in the pharma industry. Stick around as we break down the process, uncover real-world challenges, and explore strategies that can save companies from major setbacks. A deviation is any departure from an approved procedure, standard, or specification in the pharmaceutical manufacturing process. Deviations can occur at any stage: manufacturing, packaging, testing, storage, or distribution, and must be properly managed to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and maintain product quality and patient safety. According to regulatory guidelines, a deviation is defined as any departure from an established standard or procedure that may impact product quality, efficacy, or regulatory compliance. Deviations can be planned, such as temporary changes in a process, or unplanned, unexpected events that occur during operations. Why is deviation management crucial? Deviation management isn't just about compliance, it's about ensuring product quality, patient safety, and maintaining trust in the pharmaceutical industry. A well-handled deviation process can mean the difference between a quick correction and a full-blown crisis. But managing deviations isn't easy. Pharma companies face hurdles like complex regulations that vary across regions, massive amounts of data to analyze and report, human errors in manufacturing, testing, or labeling, supply chain disruptions causing unexpected deviations, high financial stakes with recalls costing millions. So, how do companies successfully manage deviations? Let's break it down step by step. Initiation. Spotting the deviation. Deviation management starts the moment an issue is identified, whether it's an out-of-specification result in a lab, a machine malfunction, or an anomaly in the supply chain. Employees are trained to document and report deviations immediately using a standard form or digital system. Classification. How serious is it? Not all deviations are created equal. Companies categorize them based on severity: minor, no impact on product quality, such as a slight procedural mistake with no consequences; major, potential impact on quality but manageable with corrections, such as temperature excursions during storage; critical, direct impact on patient safety or regulatory compliance, such as contamination in production. Investigation. Getting to the root cause. Root cause analysis, RCA, is conducted using methods like 5 whys analysis, asking why multiple times to get to the core issue; fishbone diagrams, analyzing potential causes like equipment, process, personnel, materials, and environment. Investigators review batch records, interview personnel, and assess data trends to determine what went wrong and why. Corrective and preventive actions, CAPA, fixing the issue. Once the root cause is identified, companies implement corrective actions to resolve the immediate problem and preventive actions to stop it from happening again. Examples include updating SOPs, standard operating procedures, additional staff training, equipment maintenance or calibration, strengthening supplier quality agreements. Approval and closure, ensuring effectiveness. The quality assurance (QA) team reviews the investigation and CAPA plan. Once the actions prove effective, the deviation case is formally closed. Continuous monitoring, learning from deviations. Leading companies don't just close cases and move on, they analyze trends in deviations to continuously improve their processes. Real-world case study, how a leading company avoided disaster. In 2018, a leading company faced a major deviation, contamination in a flagship product batch. Thanks to their robust deviation management strategy, they quickly identified the root cause: an equipment sterilization issue. Procedure was not clear and hence was deviated, implemented immediate corrective actions, quarantined affected batches, re-sterilized equipment, strengthened their quality system, new SOPs, enhanced staff training, and stricter oversight. Their proactive approach prevented a costly recall, avoided regulatory penalties, and reinforced trust in their brand. This is why effective deviation management isn't just about fixing problems, it's about safeguarding your company's reputation. Final thoughts. Deviation management is not just a compliance exercise, it's a proactive strategy that ensures pharmaceutical companies deliver safe, effective, and high-quality products to patients worldwide. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you faced challenges in deviation management? What strategies have worked for you? Drop a comment below. And if you want to stay ahead in the pharma industry, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My next video will cover the latest regulatory trends you need to know. Stay tuned.